so welcome to Mood, the cheapest automotive channel on YouTube. Today I want to share with you my latest and most beautiful acquisition I ever had. This is a 2014 BMW 328i. I got this car with less than 60,000 miles and I paid only $10,000. Let's take a look at it. For more than 30 years, the BMW 3 Series has set the standard for the entry-level luxury sedans. The 3 Series is BMW's best-selling model, accounting for around 30% of the brand's annual total sales, and it has won lots of awards throughout its history. Let me share now the two things that I love from this car. Number one, the engine. Powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4, making 240 horsepower and 255 pounds of torque. This version, with an automatic 8-speed, accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. With an 8-speed automatic transmission combined with the turbo engine, this car is fun, is fast, and delivers an amazing fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon combined. Number two, the transmission. For drivers who are passionate about performance, choose between manual and automatic is a big thing. But with this ZF 8-speed Steptronic transmission, there's no need to choose. That's because this gearbox offers the best of both worlds, a manual shifting experience when you want it, and a multi-drive mode automatic when the situation calls for it. Located by the driver's knee, a switch will let you choose between Eco, Comfort, and Sport mode. The Sport mode will sharpen the steering and the shift response, enabling a more aggressive driving experience. Not everything that shines is gold. The same concept applies to this BMW. Let me share the two things that are not so good from this German car. First one, electric power steering. This power steering combines the beauty of mechanical, electrical, and digital systems, bringing a wider range of possible failure. Number two, the Idrive System. It's simply bad. It looks like an old Super Nintendo from the 90s. And even some features are unpurposely disabled. Just as an example, if you want to reproduce audio using your Bluetooth, you're not allowed. But you're able to pair your phone with Bluetooth and only do some phone calls. It's like, what? If you're wondering how did I get it for so cheap? Well, let me tell you that this car has some history. This car has been in an accident and the insurance company didn't want to pay the amount of money required to fix it. So they sold it through an auction with a rebuilt title. I need to confess that I was shocked when I realized that there's nothing that I need to fix. The only job that needs to be done is taking care of the brake pads, and that's it. So let's go to the BMW, grab some genuine parts, and let's test it. bought this amazing car, rebuild title. I'm not recommending you to get a rebuild title, but $50,000, we paid 10. So it's insane the amount of difference. I love that. We rotate actually the tires, we changed the brake pads, and we had the pleasure, or not pleasure, to use this thing. This thing is an X that I strongly do not recommend it to anyone. Ever, ever, ever use the X. You may be wondering why. The first reason why is we destroyed one of the lug nuts. It was not fun at all to realize that this thing was completely rounded inside one of our wheels. It was a nightmare to remove it and to take it out. We ended up actually getting another tool, which is a torque wrench with a long socket. This is what you need. This is what we all should be using. A long socket, in this case is a 17, it could be a 19 or a 21 millimeters. You will figure it out in your car with a torque wrench. This tool will avoid you suffering this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of content, click subscribe. If you think I'm doing a shitty job, click that thumbs up. And thanks for watching. So wait.